Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about the short stories A Devoted Son, written by Anita Desai, an Indian writer. यो स्टोरी चाहिँ एउटा इन्डियन मिडल क्लास बोय इन्डियन मिडल क्लास केटाको हो. द मेन क्यारेक्टर इज राकेश एन्ड हिज फादर मिस्टर वर्मा. अब यो स्टोरीमा चाहिँ के देखाउन खोजिएको छ सो द स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स when Rakesh ko MBBS ko exam clear huncha, medical exam, and he gets rank 1 all over India, and the whole family is celebrating. Sabai jana celebration garako huncha, everybody is happy because Rakesh is the first person in their family or the first child in the family to get higher education. अनि मिस्टर वर्मा र मिसेस वर्माले धेरै नै sacrifice गरेको थियो राकेशलाई डक्टर बनाउनको लागि, and everybody was very happy because he cleared medical exam. Soon after that, he wrote the best thesis for his MD and won a scholarship to study in USA. Well, Rakesh was a very sincere and intelligent boy since the start. अनि उसले चाहिँ मेडिकल एक्जाम क्लियर गरिसकेपछि एउटा बेस्ट थिसिस लेखेको थियो आफ्नो एमडीको लागि, एन्ड ही इभन वान अ स्कलरसिप. अनि उसलाई चाहिँ युएसएमा पढ्ने अपर्च्युनिटी पायो. Here, Mr. Varma like to call USA more like America because the standard, So, उसलाई चाहिँ अमेरिकामा पढ्ने अफर पायो, and then he went to America. अनि उसले आफ्नो फर्दर स्टडिजहरू सारा कन्टिन्यू गर्यो, उसले पढ्यो, he became a doctor. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ he came back home. Now, his parents was really happy that he came back home and he wanted to marry an Indian girl according to his parents' choice. Typical parents. सबलाई लाइक राकेशको पेरेन्ट्सलाई चाहिँ मिस्टर वर्मा र मिसेस वर्मालाई यो कुरा एकदमै मन पर्यो that he returned back home and he wanted to marry an Indian girl and he wanted to settle down back in his hometown. त्यसपछि चाहिँ Rakesh started working in a city hospital in his hometown, and while he was working he was soon given the position of the director in that office. But after some time he quitted and उसलाई चाहिँ आफ्नै क्लिनिक खोल्न मन लाग्यो and he wanted to do something of his own. So he quitted the hospital अनि उसले आफ्नो जबलाई चाहिँ छोड्यो, अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ he set up a clinic in his hometown, and soon after that ऊ चाहिँ आफ्नो टाउनमा as a best and the richest doctor known भएको थियो, and he had everything at this point of time. But soon after that he realized that his mother was very sick and his father was a retired man. Usko mommy was very sick and she was kind of struggling with her medical conditions, and she passes away at certain time. And then his father, Mr. Varma, becomes very lonely and he starts suffering illness. Mr. Varma's illness was very much. Sometimes their neighbor, Mr. Vatia, used to come to see Mr. Varma and तिनीहरू कुरा गर्ने गर्थेन्. तर पनि Mr. Varma was very lonely and he just wanted to enjoy his life. तर Rakesh, as a doctor, was very strict with him and he said no to everything, the oily food, the junk and all. Mr. Varma used to bribe his grandchildren and ask them to bring junks to eat. तर राकेशलाई चाहिँ त्यो मन पर्दैन थियो, and he was a very strict doctor for his father. One day Mr. Varma just asked Rakesh that he should let him die because Mr. Varmaलाई चाहिँ अझै मेडिकेसनमा बस्न चाहिँ मन थिएन, अनि he was just tired of life, and उनलाई चाहिँ he didn't want to suffer more. त्यसैले he wanted to leave the medication, but Rakesh लाई चाहिँ यो मान्ने थिएन, and Rakesh was still strict. But after a time Rakesh's father, Mr. Varma, passes away and Rakesh is left alone, but still he manages to fulfill all the duties as a devoted son. And that's it about the video. Thank you.